everyone, and welcome to the A-Level Business Studies class. This is Module 2 of the chapter External Economic Influences on Business Activity. The last topic that we discussed was about the causes of inflation, and we did discuss about cost-push inflation and demand-pull inflation. Let's understand further what effect does inflation have on the economy. A few advantages that inflation does bring with it are higher prices will offer higher revenue and higher profits, which is definitely what everyone looks for. The value of the debt owned by the companies will fall. Due to the multiplier effect, the economy will grow in size, resulting in positive economic growth, and higher economic growth will provide higher standard of living. So a basic objective to achieve economic growth can be solved by having a sustainable level of inflation, which can be taken into consideration. There are problems that inflation will bring with it. A few would be the fall in real income due to inflation will cause them harm, which is going to be long-term not profitable or not beneficial. Rapid inflation might cause higher interest rates. These could be problematic for some of the companies which might need to shut down, leading to unemployment. There could be a cash flow problem which will happen due to higher repayment rate in rapid inflation. Other businesses might be reluctant to sell their goods and services on credit when inflation happens. Let's look at the other aspect of deflation. Does deflation have any benefits, or does deflation have any problems? There is an impact of deflation which might benefit the consumers due to the lower price and wider range of goods. So consumers may be happy because they're now getting the goods at a cheaper price. Their real income increases, resulting in higher spending and positive economic growth. So yes, there is a positive impact of deflation as well. The businesses would have problems. There is a negative effect of deflation as well. Prices fall, meaning profits fall, which results in fall in production. The economy is going to shrink, and this results in unemployment or a fall in income for the consumers again. Stocks and goods will lose their value for the businesses. This is a problem for them. So deflation has its share of advantages and disadvantages, which leads to, again, sometimes the consumers feeling good about prices falling down, but in the long term, when the incomes are going to fall down, it is going to have a reverse effect. Let's understand what's unemployment. What is the working population first? The working population in a country is the age group between 18 years to 65 years who are willing and able to work. This population is the one who is actively seeking employment. Who is called an employed? An employed person is the one who is currently holding a job. And who are the unemployed? This person, or these are the people who are either not willing but able to work, or willing but not able to work. So it could be a mix of either of these factors, willingness and ability to work. What is known as the rate of unemployment? The percentage of people who are currently unemployed out of the total working population is what gives us the rate of unemployment in an economy. The natural rate of unemployment, the percentage of people that are unemployed when the economy is operating at its maximum output capacity, that is at your peak or boom period, is known as the natural rate of unemployment. There are three broad types of unemployment that we generally talk about: cyclic, structural, and frictional. Let's understand what is cyclical unemployment. Now, cyclical unemployment is the one which occurs due to the seasonal cycles or the business cycles changing in an economy. How does the government help to control cyclical unemployment? Policies to minimize business cycles, injection during the recession period, and leakages during boom helps to balance the cyclical unemployment. The government will try to keep inflation low, as trying to control inflation leads to cyclical unemployment. Competitive exchange rate to discourage the import and promote domestic industries will also impact cyclical unemployment. Structural unemployment. Structural unemployment is when the economy undergoes structural changes. So education and training programs will make the workers multi-skilled to adjust from one change of structure to another, and long-term training programs would definitely be a good policy because people would add on skills and would be able to find jobs in other sectors as well. Last but not the least is the frictional one, where a person leaves a job or is looking for a job for moving to a better position and a better opportunity. Opening of job centers to quick relocation to help them find jobs faster and be in the unemployment zone for a lesser time, and training to be provided for multi-skilled workers where they could have skills adapted and could move on faster to better opportunities elsewhere. This is all for this module. The next module will take up the balance of payments and how wealth and economic transfers help in reducing the economic inequality amongst the people of a country. Thank you.